Okay, I'm already inside the Excel, all right, and I'm just enlarging this. Okay, now of course we all know how to do formatting. Okay, but there is something else considered as conditional formatting. Okay, so it formats based on a condition. Like for instance, I can set top rules, bottom rules, or some of the equation over here. So I can set something like this, right? So format the cell that are greater than 100, for instance. So if it reach 100, so what do I do? Right? So green, yellow, red, or even do custom formatting. Right? So I can say, all right, when you reach above 100, okay, then what should I actually fill it? Let's say I fill it with green, for instance. All right. So now it doesn't show up, but if I type 50, nothing happened. If I type 100, nothing 100 happened. But once I type 101, see, it formats for me, right? Because it is formatting only based on a condition.